Hello everyone, my name is Teacher Farhan and it's time for another episode of Double Trouble. Today we are going to look at two different words but they sound exactly the same. They are coarse and coarse. Now let's look at the first coarse. It is a noun and it is spelled as Course. It means a series of academic lectures. For example, she is taking an English course this semester. Now, coarse, on the other hand, it is an adjective. It is spelled as Coarse. It means rough and not smooth. For example, the bag was made of coarse cloth. Now, how do you remember the difference between these two words? Well, let's look at the word coarse and just remember that this coarse has the letter A, which can stand for adjective. That's it for today's episode of Double Trouble. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!